Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm gonna do just an informative on raised beds because I get a lot of questions about what size raised bed do I need for this? What's that? The size of your bed is completely up to you. If you don't ever want to bend over, you want like a 3 or 4 foot raised bed where you fill the whole bottom half with big logs and straw and then fill the rest with dirt. But the size isn't relevant to how your grow is going to be. I have them 12 inches high. I have them 16 inches high. Length and width is completely up to you. I have a couple of beds I made that are just 4 inches off the ground, and these work fine. It's completely up to you what you do or don't want. I did makeshift beds over here. I did these, they're just right up against my fence and there's a lot of room. So I did these for a bunch of different stuff. But these, again, they're only 4 inches high. And we have really bad soil. So I dug down a shovel length about 6 inches, removed all that, then put all my soil in. And everything in here grows just fine. I don't have any problems with it. Over here, we did the same thing against the fence. This is actually way down. And now back here, I have decent soil because I did have a mulch pile here. And over a year, it went down about 4 inches and turned it into really good soil. So by putting another 6 inches of soil on top of that, this is an excellent bed for whatever I want to grow. The depth of your bed is completely up to you. If you have great soil, it doesn't matter. Like I said, you could do 4 inches. You don't have to spend $300 on a raised bed. You could make your own raised bed. You can order a $30 raised bed off of TikTok or Amazon and it'll work just as good. The only thing I'd advise against is like planters. I'm not a big fan of planters. They're a lot of work, just like grow bags. I use a lot of grow bags, but it's because I don't want potatoes and sweet potatoes growing in my raised beds for all eternity. And these were just transplants from a raised bed that had sunk down way low into the clay. And we almost lost all our Brussels sprouts. I managed to get them out in time, stick them in the grow bags. And it's winter. It's 2 days before Christmas and my Brussels sprouts are still growing. So, I mean, it's completely up to you. Like I said, I'd advise against planters. If you do use planters, you're going to constantly have to put fertilizer and other amendments in there to keep them rolling because they flush very quickly. But that's all I got for you today. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow at Heller's Harvest. We're on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Thanks for watching.